This is my Mama Lou's herb fish. Look at this juicy flakiness. Who wouldn't love this? Besides my seafood hating husband and son. My son's my husband's copy and paste. They don't know what's good. More for me. This is aromatic herbs, deliciously complementing white bass, and it is so delicious. But you can use other fish as well. I've worked hard in my garden this year, and it has provided. Let's go harvest some herbs. Cilantro, not just any cilantro, Hmong cilantro. The scent when they're starting to bolt is intoxicating. Dill, I plant them everywhere. Pollinators like them too. Green onions, I plant them to deter pests and of course because they're delicious. Now we're also going to need a little bit of heat, so let's grab some chili peppers. Chop your herbs coarsely like this, but you better chop your chili peppers a bit more finely unless you really love your heat. These are cilantro roots and stems. They're tough in texture, but I'm adding them in because they impart such a citrusy, aromatic flavor. I'm just practicing a little healthy anger management, and maybe you should too. I'm adding them in whole so I can avoid eating them later. They smell so good. Smell it. This is about how much herbs you need for 4 good-sized fish. Now on to the part that makes everything butter. And you don't have to do it if you're health conscious. It'll still taste amazing. But I'm cutting up 1 stick of butter, and yes, I'm adding 2 tablespoons per fish. This is galanga, not ginger. I'm chopping this up finely because if you've ever accidentally eaten a big chunk of this, you'd understand. My mama says to wash your fish in vinegar to reduce the extra fishiness. That's why the eyeballs are white. Now I'm just salting my fish liberally, adding some MSG, and trust me, it's good in this. And I don't care what anyone says. Now I'm adding a good amount of black pepper, and I'm also doing the same to my herbs. I'm also adding in some fish sauce for that nice salty umami flavor. And mix. I'm doubling up on my aluminum foil, and yes, I'm aware, leaching, toxic, etc., but that's what I had on hand, so that's what I'm using. If you have banana leaves on hand, it's even better. But is it really? If you're still going to wrap it up in aluminum foil anyway, let me know. Anyway, I'm just stuffing my fish to the maximum with herbs and butter. Trust me, it's so delicious this way. And I forgot to mention, I'm also adding my auntie's homemade chili oil. You can substitute with store-bought. I topped my fish with a little extra herbs and butter, and I'm folding in all the edges to steam the fish and keep all that juicy flavor inside. My mama says to bake it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour or until the herbs inside the fish have fully cooked through. It took about an hour and 10 minutes in my oven, and this is what it looked like right out the oven. Amazing! Juicy, buttery, flavorful deliciousness. I couldn't wait to eat it. Now give Mama Lou a shout out if you like recipes like this, and maybe I'll be able to sneak more out of her. Thank you, Mama. Love you.